Good morning, folks. This is Ed from Mr. C's Automart with a new arrival, a Cypress Green 2015 GMC Terrain SLT. So it has these 18-inch chrome wheels, rear tinted glass, chrome accents, chrome wheels, chrome surround window trim, chrome grille, chrome rear tailgate trim. It's got the 2.4 liter engine, great on gas, 32 miles per gallon on the highway, fog lamps. This car has 121,000 miles. We're going to have it for $9,998. It has a power liftgate, rear camera. It does have a tow package, and this can tow 3,500 pounds. There's your power liftgate, full flat rear seats. Nice storage area. Here's your spare tire compartment. It has a really nice two-tone leather interior, light gray inserts and black trim, aluminum interior dashboard trim, a manual passenger seat, but a power driver's seat with power lumbar. These are very popular cars, good on gas, very roomy. Power driver's seat, power lumbar, Pioneer stereo. 121,000 miles, steering wheel controls for Bluetooth and cruise. There's your GMC radio, IntelliLink, rear camera, heated seats, CD player, XM radio. Call me at 708-473-2014 or visit the website MrC'sAutomart.com. And it does have a two-stage liftgate and a sunroof. We mentioned the power liftgate, but it's two-stage, so it has a 3/4 open and a max open. Thanks.